Well, here we go, week 2. I believe it's Sunday, Palm Sunday. We're headed toward the church, but I'm gonna guess that Mass isn't for a while, so the Lord's gonna have to forgive me today. That's one thing about Camino. If you need to go to church at night, in Spain, several places will have pilgrim masses that you can attend. But I haven't heard anything about pilgrim masses in France. In fact, I haven't seen a mass since the Puy. So we're on our way to Estaing. We'll stay in Estaing tonight. I hear it's a beautiful town. I'll get a chance to hang out there a little bit in the morning. If you've been following along, I need to catch up tomorrow, so I'm gonna take a bus to Conk to get back on schedule. So that's the plan. Expecting rain gear's on, bag is covered. Here we go. Okay, not up to the top yet, but there's the town we came from. We're getting up pretty high. And some old huts here. We had an old house, maybe an old farmhouse there. I think we got a road race coming up. You can see the rain over there. And it's starting to come down a little steadier here. So I'm going to put my rain gear on here pretty soon. Okay, so there's a castle up there. Let's see what we can do here. Pretty cool. So I'm just sitting here on this log pile, taking a break, contemplating whether or not I'm going to put my rain gear on. It's kind of just misting, so I don't know. It's a beautiful area without the sun, but with the sun without, it would really be nice. But anyway, it's still pretty early. I think it's about 9:30. And we've got about 5 kilometers, got 21 today, so just taking a quick break. I've learned that if I take a break about every 5 kilometers, I end up feeling a lot better. I think the first couple of days, I'll be honest, I don't remember taking a break, so here we go, break time. Well, I more or less sat here until the rain started. It's raining pretty good right now. It's a steady rain, not bad. But here we go. I could float to Estaing. I might be doing that anyway. But the rain is kind of settling down. And, you know, the kayaks right here. Looks like you put them here. Nice good sand there. It's a good flow. But here we go. 9 cars today. So we're moving in here to Espalion, and it's 11:30, time for a break. I'm about halfway. So the rain has really settled down, so maybe it'll stop. But here we go. I'm gonna find a place to sit down and have some lunch. Time for that.
Vache truffée. Ouais, c'est
Well, I just ate just on the outskirts of Espalion at a park bench in the rain. Choices aren't many here, but I've got about 6 kilometers, I should say 10 kilometers to Estaing, where I'm staying tonight. Good thing is tomorrow is my basically day off. I'm taking a bus to Conk, so good with the rest of the relaxation day and get caught up in some, probably no doubt gonna have to clean some clothes after this. Anyway, going downhill, so here we go. Guessing that noise is a bunch of frogs. Well, I guess we made it out up to the plateau out of the hill right after Espalion. Flattened out here, and then pretty soon we'll drop back down. But this is kind of a brief, I won't call it a relaxing walk, but it's easier than going up. It's just starting to rain again. Got about 4 miles left. I'll make it about 7 kilometers.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone. All you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
T'as rêvé, Delphine.
Salut.
Merci.
Qu'est-ce que tu